Product descriptions exist to provide important information about products that drives potential customers to complete a purchase, so we must be able to describe our products realistically and in a few words. Of course, we recognize that editing descriptions can be tedious if we have to edit the descriptions of hundreds of products. To help you with that, we want to show you how to edit descriptions in bulk using the easy digital download spreadsheet plugin. This can help you if you want to edit all the products that contain a keyword in their titles, if you want to assign a default description to all your products that belong to a specific category, and so on. Whatever your case, we want to show you how quick and easy it is to edit hundreds of product descriptions with this plugin. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, you'll see a spreadsheet with all our products and their complete information. To edit product descriptions, you can do it individually in the spreadsheet by going to the column to edit, which is excerpt in this case, and edit it just as you would in Excel or Google Sheets. Just remember to save your changes when you are done. Now let's see how we can add product descriptions in bulk. To do this, we'll open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the option that fits the rows you want to edit. In this case, we'll select this option to show you how the search tool works. Now you'll see that you can search for your products by keyword, author, categories, tags, and you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll look for all products that contain the keyword fashion. So we'll enter the word fashion here and run the search. When the products have been filtered, we'll be redirected back to the bulk editing tool to continue editing. Now select to edit the excerpt field. Pick the set value option here. Enter the new description you want to add to all filtered products. And execute the changes. As you can see, all our product descriptions were added successfully. Now you know that the two options we have presented help you save many hours thanks to the easy digital download spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.